What if I told you some of the market's hottest stocks right now cost less than a fast food combo? These aren't shady penny stocks. These are legit businesses with real growth, analyst coverage, and projected gains of 50% or more. While everyone's distracted by AI giants, these low-priced underdogs are quietly breaking out. Let's dive into 8 high-upside stocks under $10, starting with one that's already disrupting the real estate market. Let's start with Compass Inc., ticker COMP. Compass Inc. is currently trading at just $6.76, and analysts are calling for more than 35% upside. Compass isn't your average brokerage. It's a tech-driven real estate platform that equips agents with cutting-edge tools, smarter listing technology, digital marketing capabilities, and integrated CRM systems to help them close more deals. On July 8th, Compass announced a major partnership with Porchlight Real Estate Group, a top-tier Colorado-based brokerage with over $900 million in closed sales last year. Known for being women and LGBTQ+ owned, Porchlight's team now gets access to Compass's nationwide referral network and advanced tools. It's a smart move that boosts regional dominance and adds major brand credibility. Still, Compass operates in a tough, competitive market and hasn't consistently turned a profit yet. But with 38 hedge funds holding the stock, it's clear institutional investors see real potential. Before we move on, here's a quick question to think about. Do you believe small-cap stocks are set to outperform large caps in the next market cycle? Drop your take in the comments. We'd love to hear your forecast. Next, let's look at Icon Enterprises, ticker IEP. Currently trading at $8.94 with an expected upside of 37.14%. Founded by legendary investor Carl Icahn, this diversified holding company owns stakes in energy, automotive, food packaging, real estate, and pharmaceuticals. On paper, that sounds like a solid bet. But in the first quarter of 2025, Icon Enterprises posted a net loss of $422 million, largely due to poor performance in its healthcare investments. Its net asset value dropped, and only 2 hedge funds currently hold the stock, a sign of cautious institutional sentiment. Still, when Carl Icahn plays the long game, value investors tend to watch closely. With the stock under $9, some believe the downside may already be priced in. Now let's talk about Equinox Gold Corp, ticker EQX, trading around $6.11. This Canadian gold producer is gaining momentum fast. In the second quarter, the company produced over 219,000 ounces of gold, including output from its new Greenstone mine in Ontario. Equinox is also pushing ahead with its Valentine mine in Newfoundland, which is expected to start production in early fall. They've just completed a merger with Calibre Mining, further expanding their asset base and adding another high-quality Canadian mine to their portfolio. The key risk? Gold prices. Equinox's success depends heavily on the precious metals market, but with nearly $500 million in cash and production capacity scaling rapidly, this miner is well-positioned to ride any upcoming gold rally. Still with us? Let's shift to uranium. NextGen Energy, ticker NXE. It is currently trading at $6.51 and has an expected upside of 37.88%. This company controls one of the highest-grade uranium projects in the world, the Arrow deposit, located in Canada's Athabasca Basin. As nuclear energy gains renewed attention as a clean and reliable power source, NextGen is gaining investor interest. They're also expanding into renewables, with wind and solar projects getting backing from investors in Japan, Europe, and the Middle East. But make no mistake, they're still in development mode. This isn't a cash flow powerhouse just yet. It's a stock for patient investors with a long-term outlook. Let's return to the gold space for a moment and talk about Iamgold Corp, ticker IAG, trading around $6.95 with a projected 38.63% upside. This mid-tier miner has just completed a major gold prepay agreement to finance its Côté gold mine in Ontario, which has now hit full production. If that prepay deal hadn't existed, Iamgold says it could have generated up to $225 million in free cash flow in just the first half of 2025. Now that the financing is wrapped up and the mine is operational, investors are turning their focus to profitability. The gold is flowing, but can the margins keep up? Now let's talk about UWM Holdings Corporation, ticker UWMC, trading at just $4.15. This is one of the largest wholesale mortgage lenders in the U.S. Despite a recent downgrade from analysts, it's still projected to gain over 44% from current levels. In the first quarter of 2025, the company generated $613 million in revenue, a 7% year-over-year increase, but earnings per share came in below expectations. The big challenge here is interest rates. In a high-rate environment, mortgage growth becomes harder, but 36 hedge funds are still backing UWM, betting that a rate drop could spark a rebound. If interest rates fall, this stock could snap back quickly. Let's take a trip abroad now. Turkcell İletişim Hizmetleri, ticker TKC. TKC is currently trading at $5.84 and comes with an upside of over 51%. This Turkish telecom company is making major investments in its infrastructure, ranging from mobile services to broadband and IPTV. They recently strengthened their partnership with A10 Networks to improve network performance, security, and virtualization. In simpler terms, that means faster speeds, fewer outages, and happier customers. Only 10 hedge funds are holding this stock right now, but that could change quickly if Turkcell continues to improve service and customer loyalty. Finally, let's talk about Global Business Travel Group, ticker GBTG, currently priced at $6.59 and expected to rise over 51%. This company helps corporations manage travel, meetings, and events, and despite ongoing economic turbulence, they're growing. In the first quarter, they pulled in $621 million in revenue and saw EBITDA grow 15%. Even more impressive, a 96% customer retention rate and $3.2 billion in new contracts over the past year, much of it coming from small and mid-sized businesses. The opportunity here is clear. As business travel continues to recover globally, GBTG is positioning itself as a leader in this niche. The biggest hurdles? Tough competition and rising travel costs. But with strong fundamentals and growing momentum, they may be just getting started. Now, if we take a step back and look at the bigger picture through this table, there's a lot to digest, but it tells a compelling story. We're looking at a group of stocks all priced under $10, yet many of them have surprisingly solid fundamentals. Take UWM Holdings, for example. It boasts a staggering 85.38% gross margin, even with a low share price of $4.39. That's a level of profitability you don't often see in this price range. Iamgold, with a solid EPS of $1.41 and a 32.54% gross margin, also stands out as a financially healthy player in the gold mining sector. Meanwhile, NextGen Energy, despite having a gross margin of 0%, is in a high-growth sector, renewables, and is heavily investing in infrastructure, which could translate into future profitability. What's most interesting is the market cap variance. Some of these companies, like Icon Enterprises and UWM Holdings Corporation, are valued in the billions, showing that even cheap stocks by price aren't necessarily small players. This disconnect between price and potential is exactly what makes these under $10 stocks so intriguing for investors looking to capture upside without overpaying upfront. So, let's do a quick recap. We covered 8 stocks trading under $10, with sectors ranging from real estate and energy to telecom and gold. Each has unique growth potential, but also comes with risk. And now, here's the question of the day. If you could only invest in one under $10 stock for the next 5 years, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And here are 7 best gold stocks quietly loading up on. Click on this video here.